I know. I'm gonna explain it all.
Yeah. Been calling you. The number you have dialed has been changed.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, welcome. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. For all my oldies, y'all probably thinking like, what happened to this girl? Did she fall off the earth? Like, what happened?
I heard you was looking for me. Here I go.
Y'all, I am back and I promise I will explain everything in this video. So let's get started. Just went to the bank today. In today's video, I'll be combining April 2nd paycheck and my April 16th paycheck. So both paychecks. Now, as I'm putting the money away, I'm just going to explain the reason that I have been away, y'all. I was in Jamaica for about 3 weeks. I had a family emergency, so I had to travel down there, and I was working from down there and everything. So that's why y'all did not get a budgeting video from me. I apologize. You know, that's just how that stuff goes when it comes to emergency. Those are obviously never planned. So when it's time to go, you just gotta go, and then now I'm back. So while I was in Jamaica, I was working from home and stuff like that. Try to stay within my budget. I did go over a little bit than what I expected. If you're familiar with Jamaica, cost of living there is very expensive, and it was last minute. I tried to stay within my budget as much as possible, but some miscellaneous spending did come up. However, I'm still able to stuff some of my sinking funds from my April 2nd paycheck, but I'll be allocating everything from my April 16th paycheck. So we didn't mess up all bad, but when it comes to family, you know, it is what it is. So this is our cash breakdown today. Today we are stuffing $1,445. So let's get started. So I did bring my envelopes to Jamaica. I tried to budget there, like I said. For the most part, y'all, I only went over my budget by like $250. And I know you're probably like, what? That's a lot. But listen. If you ever been to Jamaica, stay down there for an extended amount of time. And I'm not just talking about an all-inclusive resort. I'm talking living there, buying groceries, driving, filling your car up. All of that you'll understand, but if not, just know it's expensive down there. Oh crap, I even have money left over. So you are not familiar with Jamaican money, this is $100 and this is $150. This is probably equivalent to probably $1 and some change. So for groceries, I usually give myself $125. So I have 100, oh crap, a 20 and a 5. See, my money already looking crazy. So for groceries, I have 120 and 125. Hope y'all have been good. So that's groceries. Personal, which just has my name on it, I get 75. And if you're new to my channel, I do allow my personal, I literally just started this though, I allow my personal to roll over. So right now I have 50, 70 and 75. All that money that I had rolling over, I got my lashes done. You know, I had to get cute. You know, we going to Jamaica, honey. Like, yeah, we had to get cute. So I got cute to go down and stuff. So that's where all my money from here went. Gas, and I think this is probably my last week's stuff in this gas envelope, just because my credit card, Discover, they give you a 2% cashback whenever you put gas in your car. So I'm gonna start just putting this $40 on my credit card and swipe that so I can get some free money. Like, who don't like some cash back? It adds up, it comes in handy. And then miscellaneous today is not getting anything, and I should have zoomed in so y'all can see that. So miscellaneous isn't getting anything because I'm going to put this $20 that I usually put here, and I'm going to put it in one of my sinking funds. For our cash stuffing, we stuffed $240. So let's go ahead and get started with our sinking funds. I moved the money over here so I can have some space. For car maintenance today is getting $20 as usual. 100, 120, 140, and 160. Car maintenance now have 160. Travel, y'all, is empty. I had to grab everything out of here last minute. It's empty. It pains my heart a little bit because I really wanted I had a trip planned for the summertime and now I'm starting from scratch again. So I don't know, this just hurts my heart, but it's not getting stuffed for this cash stuffing, sadly. So emergency fund is getting $50. So I think for this one I had 2 20s and a 10 because I'm adding an extra 10. So emergency funds gets 50. So let's see how much we have. And I know I could have pulled some money out of here, but because I already pulled money out of my travel and I also had some leftover, I had $100 in my leftover envelope, so I took that out as well. I didn't want to like deplete myself all the way, so I do have some. I didn't touch my emergency fund. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. So we have $290 in our emergency fund. And I didn't update these trackers because I'm tracking it on my iPad, even though I am going to do both. So for travel, we didn't update. For travel, we didn't add anything. For our emergency fund, for our emergency fund right now, we have $290. All right, so debt snowball. I did put myself in a little bit of debt because it was emergency and it was more than just my travel and my living expenses. I had to like spend money to do the business that I had to go do down there. So I had to put some on my credit card. Worked it out so that credit card will still be at 0 by the end of the month. So for debt snowball, I'm putting $300. So we have 1, 2, 3. So debt snowball is getting $300 and it's empty right now. Y'all know, if you're new, I do empty my debt snowball at the end of every month. So right now we have $300, and I promise you, I think I ran my credit card up about $400 or $500 and something dollars. So I promise that'll be paid off by the end of the month. All right. Room decor is getting its usual $10. Oops. All right, let's get a 10. We have 100, 150, 160, and 170. Oh my God, I miss doing this so much, y'all. I wish that I could have brought my money to Jamaica so that I can do my cash stuffing. But I was like, nope, I'm going to leave this binder right here. All right. So Christmas gets its usual 5. Oops. So in Christmas now we have, ooh, my money. See, I haven't done this in a minute. It feels like a little foreign to me. 20, 40, and 5. So 45. I need to start upping this a little bit. All right, so medical is getting $10. So I'm doubling up on medical. Oops. Just because I'm thinking about going to the doctor soon, just for my checkup. 20, 40, 50. I'm not sure what my copay going to be, so I think this should be good for copay though, but I still want to add something in there for medical. All right, so medical right now has a 50. Birthday is getting $40. So the 20 that I would put towards my miscellaneous, that's where I'm putting it right now, because I do owe myself some money for birthday, which I need to pay back at the end of the month in my sinking funds update. So I want to make sure that I have that money here. And shout out to my people who gave me feedback. A lot of y'all were saying to just leave it in there, and at the end of the month I can just go in and take it out, which that's what I chose to do. So for birthday we have 50, 70, 90, 110, and 120. This is exactly how much I need to pay myself back, but I'll just do that in the update video. All right, because I'm not going back to the bank. Okay, so let's go. So birthday has 120. All right, then for my 10K challenge, y'all tell me what y'all think. So I swapped these out, right? But I'm like, I do want to do a video where I'm counting all my savings at the end of the year. So I might pull out this $2,000 back from the bank so that I can have it and just get a bigger envelope for my 10K challenge. Because it's no fun of me counting 10, fake bills at the end of the year when I can just, like, you know, have all these denominations to count. And I think that's a little bit more exciting. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Just for 10K, I might not swap out any 2K. I might not swap out these $1,000 bills. Yeah, but I'll let this sit for a little bit, but by the end of the year I'll probably pull it so I can count and do like a video on all my savings for the year. Let me know what y'all think, if that's something that sounds good. So 10K challenge. So I'm paying the 10K challenge from my April 2nd paycheck and my April 16th paycheck. So in total I'm paying $770. So that's just $385 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and $70. So 20, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay. So let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on now. 7, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. Yep. So let's put this in here. This is coming along very nicely, y'all. This 10K challenge. I'm so proud of myself for sticking with this and doing the damn thing. You know what I'm saying? All right, so for 10K right now we have 1,000, 2,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 750, 8, 850, 870, 890, 900, 910, 915, 920, 925, 930. So 2,930, 2,930 for our 10K. So see, this envelope is getting a little bit too small. So I might get a bigger one. I saw one at Target. I think I'm going to pick it up so I can just swap this out and have a bigger envelope so that all the money that I'm saving for my challenges will fit in one envelope. And then YouTube, I didn't get paid for that yet, but I think that's coming sometime this week. So I'll include that in my other cash stuffing video. I think what I see a lot of people doing is allocating their YouTube money to their other sinking funds. But I don't know. I feel like the video ideas that I have, I need to spend money and I need to save my YouTube money for that, and also taxes and everything. So I just put all my checks in this until I have a video idea that I need to spend on my channel. So I don't know. I know they say pay yourself, but I have a hard time paying myself. I don't know. And then I have nothing for my $5 and $1 challenges. So that is it for my stuffing. So for our sinking funds, the total that we stuffed was $1,205. All right. So y'all, that is it for today's cash stuffing video. Hopefully you missed me because I missed y'all so much. Stuff happens along the way, and that's why we do this. I just want to say that I'm so thankful that I started this budgeting video for it. Exactly what happened to me recently that I had to like get up and go. I actually had some money put aside to do so. So I'm very grateful for the budgeting community that has inspired me to do this. I appreciate you all. Definitely, if you have not started your budgeting video yet, let me help you start out, sis. I have these binders with the envelopes on sale, and I also have my budgeting sheet if you want them. Just check out the description box how you can purchase them. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys, and happy budgeting.